Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change your name on Peacock TV account. To change your username or your name on Peacock TV, first of all, open up a web browser and then in the URL box type in peacocktv.com and search. You will then end up in the official website for Peacock TV. Make sure to log into your account as well. After logging in, go ahead and click on your profile avatar at the top right hand corner. Now under Who's Watching, click on Account at the top right. After opening up the Accounts tab, go ahead and click on the Settings button from the top. After clicking on Settings, click on Update Account Holder option. Now enter your first name that you want to change to and then your last name as well. Once you are done, click on Update Account Holder button. Right after you do that, within a few seconds, your username will be changed. That is how you can easily change your username on Peacock TV. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.